Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting an Airtel 5G-enabled SIM and a 5G hotspot or router. This is the only reliable way to deliver 5G service to a 4G phone. Once you have both, power up the hotspot, insert the SIM, and allow any automatic firmware update to finish. Make sure you configure a clear Wi-Fi SSID and a strong password now, because you will connect your 4G phone over Wi-Fi rather than relying on the phone's cellular radio. Next, you access the hotspot's web interface or companion app to finalize settings. Enter the Airtel APN details if not auto-filled, and make sure the device is allowed to register on 5G or NSA modes so it uses the 5G radio. Then secure the Wi-Fi with WPA2 or WPA3, choose a less congested channel, and disable unnecessary guest or mesh features to reduce interference. These steps ensure your hotspot gets full 5G throughput to share with your 4G. Finally, you connect your 4G phone to the hotspot's Wi-Fi and run a simple speed test to confirm 5G throughput is being shared. Once done, mark the network as trusted and enable Auto Connect so the phone uses the hotspot whenever available. If speeds are low or the hotspot won't attach to 5G, restart the device, verify the APN and firmware, and make sure the Airtel SIM is provisioned for 5G data. Contact Airtel support if provisioning looks incorrect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.